Hi guys, Eo here again. This is me making one of my favorite DIY drinks. It's a lemon ginger turmeric drink that has a lot of benefits. And all you need is a turmeric powder, ginger, lemon, honey, cayenne, and water. You're going to wash your lemon and ginger, chop it up, and add all that to a pot. Put in some water. I like to put hot water because why not? And then you're going to put in the powder, put in some honey, put in some cayenne, and then you're going to just stir it up. Mix, mix, mix. Let it come to a boil, and then you are gonna sieve it out and then add it to your favorite storage. I like to put it in the fridge and serve it cold.